In any kind of relationship, we often say one thing, that communication is the key. Communication is something that can make a relationship work or break a relationship completely apart. Now, you cannot expect a pre-designed communication scripts from your human partner. No one is prepared for that, and no one thinks that way, and problem starts from there. Why I'm saying so? Because either it gets wrong, the communication gets wrong, or struggles to find the right track to convince your partner that you want to say something meaningful. Before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. Now, our question is today, how love robots, our human and robot partners, revolutionizes the communication, which is the cornerstone of any relationship. How does it do that, and how does it make that possible? First of all, let me say you one thing. Robotic partners could revolutionize this human communication by providing a non-judgmental space for users to express themselves. That is the first thing that they do, and because of that non-judgmental space they give us, we can communicate more freely to them. And by employing pre-designed communication scripts, these AI companions can help individuals to, in fact, make them more confident, so that they can articulate their desires and needs more openly. They can open their heart, they can open their all desires inside without the shame or fear of any kind of social repercussions often felt with human partners. This creates a safe environment for developing healthier communication habits. And that is why AI companions are so popular and becoming so popular, even replacing human companions in every way, in every possible way. At their core of this magic, these robots learn to correlate complex patterns. That is also a very crucial step, because in a user state of mind, to understand a user state of mind is not an easy task. Whether, on the other hand, through advanced AI, they can do that. I mean, these AI companions can do that. They can correlate complex patterns in a user's state of mind. And of course, if you ask me that how it is done, how it can be possible, as always, I will tell you that there are three core factors: hardware, software, and algorithms. From a hardware perspective, this requires a range of sensors like microphones to analyze vocal tone, cameras for facial expressions, even micro expressions, facial cues, and of course, there are biometric sensors to read your physical data, to track your physical data, all kinds of physical data, including heart rate, from heart rate to pulse to other things, your stress factors, etc. And they all processed by powerful onboard computers. Software, of course, heavily relies on natural language processing, NLP, and it is very, very advanced as of today. And because of this advanced NLP, their sentiment analysis program and their ability to communicate any kind of speech recognition and finding solutions to any problems. Overall, they interpret spoken words and emotional cues. This software integrates sensor data to build a holistic model of the user's emotional state. And using machine learning models, algorithms, specifically the deep learning and reinforcement learning. The robot analyzes vast amounts of data to find subtle correlations between a user's behavior and their underlying desires that a human cannot do, that a human cannot even think of, imagine of, because we don't have that data sets in our mind. And if we had the data sets, we would not be possible. It would not be possible for us to find the exact patterns and in a fraction of seconds, because they can do that because of their heavily computational power, right? So there are a lot of things that happens on the cartoon, behind the cartoon. And overall, these pre-designed communication scripts from the robot partners make a whole difference, make a big difference. So that is it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. If you like the video, please hit the bell icon to get notified, and don't forget to like with your friends, share and subscribe for more insights. If you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. It means a lot to me. And please consider signing up for membership zone to support Wooden Slate so that we can make it better and better. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care and stay safe.